Imagine you could fix water line leaks of your sprinkler system without removing or cutting. A time-saving idea that will solve a problem in no time. Please watch the video until the end to get the idea. So let's say you have a hole on the pipe that's still on the ground. You don't have to remove this to fix this hole. You just put this glue inside here, right here, and and that fixes the hole. That is very simple. You have to clean this area so it doesn't have too much dirt. There were holes in here. You don't have to remove this hose to fix the leaks. Just you load this in the red hot glue. This one. Put it on like this. And hold it for a while, and it will not come out anymore. That's it. They call it the red hot glue for PVC pipe. This is a PVC pipe. This is a PVC cable saw to cut a sprinkler water line underground, and I'll show you how you use it. That is the Now we will put the glue on the pipe. There. forget to click the like button and the bell to get notification. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel at Wilfredo Reyes Useful Ideas. And I really appreciate it very much for me to create more contents for everyone to learn from. Good night, aloha, maraming salamat po kay kayuhan, and mabuhay sa inyong lahat. Aloha and muchísimas gracias.